Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpost.com. I am here with the final analysis of 19th of December 2019. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it and also press the bell icon button so that you can keep on getting the updates from my side. Okay guys, now let's talk about the today's signals report. So this is the signals report that I have sent to the subscribers in the morning. And guys, let's get started with New Zealand USD. So guys, you can see there is a loss at my end. However, the trade was profitable before because I have closed it late. 065895 was the bearish entry from my side and 065695 was the target price. And guys, you can clearly see the New Zealand USD clearly break the entry and it has went so much down, but I was unluckily I was not there, so I was not able to close my trade on that time, so that is why it has went into the loss. So overall this trade was triggered because the market followed the downward pattern. If you have traded New Zealand USD, then obviously you must have caught the profits. Okay, now let's talk about USDCHF. Let me take you towards the signals report. So USDCHF with a bearish expectation from 097970 and 097551 is the target price. And guys, you can clearly see the drop is on the screen. USDCHF has already went down. And if we go to the daily chart, then you can see that today's candle that is appeared on the chart, it's bearish. It is telling you that I have the weaker expectations for the day and it has already went down. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the sell positions today on USDCHF. Okay, we have a losing trade on Euro USD. Let me tell you about Euro USD. I do not talk about the losing trades, but just to help those subscribers who are subscribed to my signals, just to let them know that how to get rid of a trade when it goes against you. So my entry was 111346 and 111577 was the target price. It means that I was expecting the market to go up, so that was the close above, the candle closes above. The next candle went fine, but on the next candle the market started to go up, so that's why we have to exit from the trade and we have closed that trade. So guys, do not let your one trade blow your account. Admit your losses and then you should get rid of that trade and gain the maximum from the other trades. Now look, I have made this $36 loss on that trade, but on the next trade that I have caught on USD, Great Britain Pound USD, it has fulfilled my all desires. Now you can see Great Britain Pound USD with a bearish expectation from 130881 and 129321 was the target price. And guys, you can see we have seen the downward pattern today on Great Britain Pound USD, and Great Britain Pound USD has went down. Going to the daily chart, now look at the daily candle. The daily candle is still pushing down and I have the target price which is 129321. Maybe it is going to hit after some hours, but overall if you have done day trading, then you must be in a very good profits on Great Britain Pound USD. At next, let's talk about Jpy. A very good satisfied signal of the day is on Jpy that completely hit the target price. 75357 was the bearish entry and 75124 was the target price. And guys, you can clearly see, look, if you look at that candle was closes below the entry. That was the perfect time to enter into the trade, and look how the market went down. And we have also received a sell signal from the scalper, and finally the market is down. So overall, I congratulate all those traders who have taken the sell positions on this pair. They must have ended up with very good profits by trading Jpy. And guys, at last I'm going to talk about Euro Jpy, another satisfied signal of the day. Euro Jpy with a bearish expectation from 121,877 and 121,153 was the target price. And guys, you can see this is a big drop on the screen. Euro Jpy has finally went down. Going to the daily chart, and if you look at the daily chart, I'm going to zoom this one. Now you can see the market is pushing down below the dotted line, and it looks like that today's candle is going to be bearish. So overall, our prediction was right in the sense of a bearish trend, and the trend went bearish as per the prediction. So guys, if we cut up all the losses, like the loss of $400 and the loss of $36, I have calculated it. If you cut all the losses, then this should be your today's profit. That's 11,886, and that's the massive profit of the day. So guys, why I'm showing you to use the calculator? Well, because you should admit the losing trades. If you don't admit the losing trades and let the trades keep on running, then you can never be successful in forex trading. If you ask me, this is the first signal of my signals report, that is Euro USD. So the first trade was losing from my end. So never lose your heart if your one trade goes against you. Look what happened with the next trades. We have made a good profit on the next trades and we have recovered everything and closed the day with a very good profit. So guys, this is how you need to work on it. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. Moreover, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. You can see there are two red boundaries on the chart. Whenever you see that the market is into the top red boundary and it's losing the momentum, then you can sell the pair, like it happened with Euro USD. At the top red boundary, it started to go down. Look, that's a bearish push and that's a bearish push. And then after many hours, the market started to go down and then it closes below the dotted line and then the market stayed below. And when it closes above the middle dotted line, then the market stays up. And then it closes below, the market is still below the dotted middle line. So guys, this is about taking the sell positions. And when you see that the market is into the lower blue boundary or red boundary and it starts gaining the momentum, then you can buy the pair, like it happened with Euro USD on in the early session of the day. Euro USD went up. So guys, this is how we use the trading system. Moreover, the scalper is there to help you. Scalper has pointed out the two red arrows here and the lot of white arrows here to buy the pair, and the market has went up, and also a sell signal was given by the scalper and then the market has received a drop. So overall guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So guys, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, or guys, the last service that I am giving you, that's the best service. If you want to learn that how I prepare these signals, how I come to know in the morning that Great Britain Pound USD is going to be down and AUD JPY is going to be down. So this is based on a trick and it does not require any kind of knowledge from you. I have invented a very simple method to prepare the forex signals, and I teach the subscriber for 3 days on Skype, and you will have to come online at my time when I prepare the signals, and you should be online on Skype so that we can prepare the signals together. Just I will require 15 minutes each day, and there will be a coaching session for 3 days, and I teach that trick for $700, and after 3 days you will be able to generate your own signals on any currency pair, and you can even resell your signals. So guys, if you are interested in any of the service, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.